This home in Mona Vale has been undergoing an ambitious makeover. We've been following the progress and witnessed a complete transformation. From the facade,
Wow, what a way to add incredible street appeal.
to the kitchen,
From the floors to the cabinetry to these gorgeous appliances, not to mention our Caesar stone benchtop and splashback, the servery window, it is all a complete picture.
to the flooring,
We've got really nice timber here. It's got an old solvent-based finish on it, so we're going to sand that back to bare. So we start with a clean slate.
Beautiful.
and so far the results have been stunning.
Have a look around. What an incredible difference it's made.
Now we've turned our attention to the internal windows and staircase.
There's so much beautiful light in this house, and this is a great example of one way of really bringing light into a room. The only problem is this particular piece of, well, let's call it dated acrylic brickwork is a little ugly on the eye, so we're actually going to get rid of that, and we are using this cavity to replace it with a beautiful smooth piece of translucent glass. Simple, elegant, and it's really going to lift this room and capitalise on that natural light. Talk about updating something and really bringing it into the now. This is a great example. Now, just by replacing those ugly 80s glass / Perspex bricks, we've been able to really update this section. I mean, these beautiful translucent glass windows have really upped the cachet of this area. I mean, they're so classy and yet so incredibly simple. We don't just have it here on the landing. It's also behind me there in the stairwell. I mean, look how much natural light pours through. This is the perfect choice.